When using Adagio BankRec to track cash deposits and print customer receipts, there are options in receivables to define and to make the transfer process smooth. In the company profile, on the Integration tab, you must first indicate that you want to send posted cash to BankRec. There is a default BankRec bank code for cash entries without payment methods, and whether you typically print or email receipts from BankRec. Further customization to retrieving BankRec batches is done through payment methods, found on the Edit menu. First, choose to integrate this payment method to BankRec. Next, choose the one specific bank code associated with this payment method. This bank will be the one to which funds are deposited, and it will also be attached to the created BankRec batch. Because BankRec will post directly to the GL bank account, instead define a clearing account that will be used instead when posting cash batches in receivables. This account will be visible on the cash entry and netted to zero by the BankRec batch posting. You don't have to wait for all cash to be entered in AR before posting. The retrieval process will separate and combine the entries based on these options. Select Batch by Date to write to different BankRec batches for each date. Choose to append to existing batch to have the BankRec retrieval process look for unposted batches for the same bank and write entries there rather than creating a brand new batch. And further specify batch appending not only by bank, but also by the payment method, with append by type. It doesn't matter how receivables cash batches and entries are organized, as the integration for BankRec is at the transaction level through the payment method. When posted, a retrieval entry will be created for BankRec. When retrieving receipts from AR into BankRec, a screen appears with all the defaults from the payment methods. For each bank and payment method, you can review whether a new batch will be created or an existing batch will be appended. If a batch will be appended, the specific batch number will be indicated. The batch description, deposit ID, and date are also displayed here. These settings may be overridden prior to retrieval. You'll be prevented from making disallowed changes, such as attempting to append to a batch for a different bank. Click the Process button to perform the retrieval. After completion, you may choose to immediately post all created and appended batches if you know that no further verification or appending is necessary. The updated batches are ready for review, printing, and processing. Make deposit tracking and reconciliation of cash retrieved into BankRec easy using payment method retrieval options. For more information about Adagio Accounting, use these on-screen links or from the video description. Thanks for watching.